Greetings, everyone. So before we get started today, I just wanted to give you an update. Matthew and I were able to finish these columns up. We got the extension boxes on for the receptacles and the extension box on the lights. Then we went ahead and we put the OSB back on the inside of the columns and got it all shear nailed off with a 4 and 12 shear on that, and then wrapped everything with the house wrap. So that's all good to go for winter. But pretty excited today. Curtis will be here in a little bit, as well as Matthew, and we are going to pull the line or the wires from the meter box area over there to the house. So let's get going on that. So here is the setup that we have at this end with a pulley, and got it connected to the truck. And I'll go show you what we got going on the other end. On this side, we have the reel set up on the tractor forks. And now we're just gonna gloop a whole bottle of lube so it'll all run down and it'll sit down at the bottom of that 90, and then as the wires go through, it'll pick it up.
Okay, we're ready when you are.
Okay, here I go. Oh, something just popped out. I got some wire.
Oh, good. Okay, so now what?
I think we'll have to shorten up the pulley.
Yeah.
So we can get the wire pulled out tall enough.
Okay.
I appreciate that you're putting the red on red. That would drive me crazy forever.
You're like Jerry. He's the same way.
So there's the 10 feet that I have left that is needed to go between the solar controller and the meter box. I will take you out there and show you the finished product on the solar controller. So there are the wires terminated on the Enphase System Controller. The only thing that may change is if the county requires me to add another breaker here. I'm going to have a 200 amp breaker in this panel that'll feed the line coming from the meter box. That'll come in here and it'll tie in to the inlet of the system controller. I just don't know if they're going to want another breaker just for the line going to the house, or if that 200 amp in that other panel will suffice. So that is yet to be seen. So I am just tickled how easy this project went. Curtis and I have never pulled this size wire as far as we had to on my house. So it was 270 feet from the Enphase panel to the corner of the garage, and all things considered, it went off pretty well. We probably could have done it faster if we were more confident, but we really didn't want to over tension that pull tape and whatnot. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.